Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. We have a 1.5-year-old and he loves to be outside, but our yard is pretty plain. I was so excited to find this indoor-outdoor toddler 3-in-1 swing. Not only was it super easy to put together, but it also folds up if you need to save space. One of my favorite parts is that it will grow with him. It has 3 different seat options. You can first take off the red handlebars for ages 3 to 6, and then after that you can also take off the back, so it's just a regular swing. I love that it came with extras of the hardware, so just in case you happen to lose some or they don't work out properly, you've got the extras there. I really love how heavy duty and durable the ropes are, and also that it has these feet so you know it's not going to move around when your child is swinging. If you're looking for the perfect indoor-outdoor swing for your child, I highly recommend this one. It was super easy to put together and it's very durable. And that's my point of view.